Hi everyone, it's Mimi. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day so far. I wanted to come on to share with you guys some happy mail that I received from my friend Nat. Hi Nat. She has Putsomeblingonit here on YouTube. I will make sure to put her link down in the description box below. And I also want to say, please excuse me with if you see any paint or different colorants on my hand. I've been working with resin and paint pouring, so it's like it never comes off. So let's jump right into it. So here is the box that she sent. Nat, I don't know what you did, but you really didn't have to do this, but I so appreciate it. So all I've done is cut open the top, and let me move this to the side and I can share with you what she sent. Okay, I already see some yumminess. So there is a ton of the shred in here. And of course I will be recycling that, as we all do. And the first thing on top is a card. And I did see this on her channel. Look how super cute this is. I love this. It is so cute. I think it's about a 6x6, and I love polka doodles. And I don't know if she actually made these buttons or these flares. I know she has a machine for it, but look at these little, I think these are stickers, and this super cute die that layers all these. So cute. And the same stickers, it says hey down here. And let me see. Oh, I'm sure I will, Nat. I love everything that you create, and really, like I said, you did not have to do this, but just fair warning, I will get you back. So you don't know when, you don't know how, but it's going to happen. More of this yumminess. Okay, I grabbed some of the items in the box. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. You guys will notice that I am not as animated as Nat was on her video when I sent her some happy mail, but it does not mean I'm not just as excited. But look at these lollipops. These are so super cute. So she braided some yarn and created these super cute lollipops, and then added this glittered felt bow on this one, and a glittered like canvas bow on this one. I really like this bow. I wonder what dye she used, but look how super cute. And I will be sticking these in the same jars that I have with my wands. So thank you so much for that. And this is too cute. Look how cute this pumpkin is. Oh my gosh. I love this shade of orange. It's like a perfect pumpkin shade. And I do not crochet. I know that Nat crochets, and she did a great job. I think, is this a coaster? Because that's what I will be using it for. So cute. And, oh, looks like she's done some resin. Okay. Stop it. This pen is so cute. And look at this bow. Is this just a regular cabochon? But she added these hearts in here to the resin. And it also comes with, like, it can actually write. This is so cute. I cannot wait to try that out. And look at this. Is this a bookmark? But she also has these, they're like iridescent. Do you guys see that? This is so cute. And look at this super cute little dangle. This bead cap is so pretty. I don't have any of these acrylic bead caps that are this big. But yay! Like I've mentioned, I been doing a lot of resin. So I will try to shoot a video in the near future of the ones that I've been doing. And I got one of her keychains with the big chunky beads. I love this. Look at that sparkle, that pearl effect on that bead down here. And this Mickey or Minnie Mouse head is so adorable. And then this lobster clasp up here with the heart. I will be sticking that right on my purse. And then, yay! She also gifted me some of these large sequin bows. I apologize for that glare, but I'm gonna keep these in the package. I do not have any this big, and I just saw a video where I think she made something for Anna with one of these bows. I love these. Thank you so much, and look how many she sent. Thank you so much for sharing those. And I did see her video on this. This is another crocheted item. Seriously. Stop it. It's for a mug. And you did a great job. And I'm not a gray person, but lately I've been really getting into it. And this is so cute. And then she used some pink felt to make the stem and then some leaves. And she added some stickles here at the bottom. And tied this super cute pink gingham bow at the top. I'm going to have to find a mug that this will fit, but that is so adorable. And here is the next item. This tissue paper is so cute. And still, there is a ton left in the box, guys. Nat, what did you do? Sorry for the crinkle. What is this? Oh, it's one of her crocheted pumpkins. This is so cute! Yay! Out of all the fall items, I do actually display pumpkins during the fall. I'm not really much into decorating anything else, but this is so cute. I really wish I could crochet, but my hands don't let me. And if I do, it takes me forever. And following a pattern, forget it. I'll stick with my knitting. More crochet items. She crocheted me some flowers. Look how cute these are. I'll keep these in here. So she has some yellow ones and some blue ones. And then these, she made an extra one of these and put another Polka Doodles flare on it. They are so stinking adorable, and I cannot make these. So thank you so much. I will think about using them in a little bit. I have to hoard them for at least a little bit. So this like hot pink color, and then this one, how adorable is she? Do you guys see her? So cute. I love these. Thank you so much for crocheting some stuff for me. Yum! Yay! Look at this super cute little container. If you guys don't know, I have this big thing with containers, and I have an overabundance of them. What I need them for, I don't know. They're just cute. So, look how cute this is. I think this is from Daiso, and yes! Thank you so much, and I'm so glad that these didn't melt, because it has been so uber hot here in California, and I love the heat, and this is killing me. So yay! This will be so appreciated, even more in the middle of the night. That's when I snack. Don't ask me why, but yay! Thank you so much. And then this is the last item in the box. Oh my goodness. Is this what I think it is? I think it is. Ah! Oh my goodness! I have wanted one of these ever since I saw her video. Thank you so much for sending me one of these. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I mean, is that not the cutest thing? It's a marshmallow with chocolate coming down his face. And the piece de resistance. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, how cute is this? This will be sitting right here on my desk. This is so stinking adorable. I love, 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 love this. Thank you so much, Nat. So thank you so much, Nat, for thinking of me. Like I said, you did not have to do this, but these are so, so cute. Thank you so much. I heart you, girl. And make sure to go and check her channel out. I'm sure you guys all know who she is, but seriously, are you guys dying right now? Because, like she would say, I'm dead. Dead. Too cute. So thank you guys so much for stopping by to share in my wonderful Happy Mail that Nat sent me. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day, and I will see you guys really soon in another video. Bye, everyone. Thank you so much, Nat. Bye.